How to restore backup in WhatsApp from Google Drive. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can restore backup in WhatsApp from Google Drive. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is open your WhatsApp application, and then you're going to click on settings here at the bottom right. So once you click on settings, you'll be redirected to the settings profile, and over here what you need to do is select the option that says chats. So just click on chats, and once you do so, you will be redirected to the interface of chats. Now over here you need to click on the option that says chat backup, and once you click on that, if you have lastly backed up from your Google Drive and you wish to restore that, you'll be able to see that you have already backed up. Right now I have never backed up, that's why it's written last backup was never. But if you have already backed up, you'll be able to see the last backup date over here and the total size, that how much GB has the backup taken. And after that you can click on backup now, and once you click on backup now, all of the data from that specific Google Drive or the place where you have backed up would be displayed. So once you've clicked on backup now, you can just wait for the loading to get completed, and once you do so, you can head over and open your Google Drive. So once you click on Google Drive, you're going to click on the three horizontal lines at the top left, and once you do so, you will be redirected to the settings of Google Drive. So you need to click on settings over here, and then you'll be redirected to settings. Now you're going to click on backup over here, and once you do so, you will be redirected to another interface, and here you need to select the Google account that was associated with that specific backup. So you can just simply select the account, and if there is any backup with that account, that data will be restored into WhatsApp from that specific account. So that was basically how to restore backup in WhatsApp from Google Drive. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.